Hello, today we will guide you through Adobe Creative Cloud tutorial, how to use Creative Cloud. To get started, open the Creative Cloud app on your computer or access it in your browser. Sign in with your Adobe account to see your plan, apps, and storage. If you're using the desktop app, make sure it's up to date so you get the latest features and smoother performance. Once you're in, head to the Apps section. This is your central hub for everything you can install and manage. You'll see your installed apps at the top and additional apps available from Adobe below. Use the search bar to quickly find Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, or any other tool you need. Filters can help you narrow by desktop, mobile, or beta releases. If you see an Update button, go ahead and update to get bug fixes and new capabilities. You can also pause or resume installs if you're on a slower connection. If storage space is a concern, review app size before installing and keep only what you actively use. Next, open the Files area. This connects you to your cloud documents and synced files so your work is accessible across devices. You can upload assets by dragging them into the window, create folders to stay organized, and rename items to make searching easier later. If you collaborate, you can share links with view or edit permissions and keep everything in one place. Look for version history on supported file types when you need to roll back changes. If you work offline, make assets available locally so you can keep going without internet, and they'll sync when you reconnect. Move over to the Create section to kick off new work quickly. Here, you'll find quick actions and templates for common tasks like social posts, presentations, and documents. Choose a template that matches your goal, then customize it in the appropriate app or in Adobe Express. Give your project a clear name and save it to cloud storage so it's easy to find later and available on other devices. If you have brand colors or logos, set up a library so you can apply them consistently as you create. Finally, visit Stock and Marketplace. Use the search and filters to find high-quality photos, vectors, videos, and templates. Preview assets with watermarks, and when you license an item under your plan, that watermark is removed and the license details are saved to your account. In Marketplace, explore plugins, integrations, and extensions that add features to apps you already use. Check compatibility with your app version and read reviews to ensure a smooth workflow. That's it. You've opened the app, explored apps, files, create, and Stock and Marketplace. Everything you need to work efficiently in Creative Cloud.